Welcome to the Adventure Family YouTube channel. So we're going to go on another adventure. I'm going to take JT out on a jet ski on the ELK River. It's going to be amazing. Hope you like this stuff. Let's get out there and have a little fun. Enjoy. JT, you ready to go?
Yes.
All right, get your life jacket on. Let's do it. Yeah.
We know what's going on Friday.
Adventure Family stuff. You gonna catch a minnow out here, buddy? Are you ready?
Yes.
Here we go. Woohoo! Jet ski time.
Where's that going?
Huh?
What if we can go across super fast? I mean, like faster than we're going right now.
It can go a lot faster. You want to go super fast?
Yeah!
All right, kid, don't let your face hit the steering wheel.
I won't! Oh!
Whoa!
Go on the wave! We're making!
Woo! What do you think about that, JT?
Good!
Good stuff. Yeah. All right, so we got a pontoon boat that's gonna be out here with us. We're gonna hang out with it. Man, isn't this fun? Isn't this fun? All right, look. Take your hands and put them right there. You got to push out so your face doesn't hit this. Okay? I don't want your face to hit this. Are you ready? Oh, we got water going everywhere. Whoa, yeah. What do you think about that?
Good!
And let's take off. Whoa. Whoa. That's 30 miles an hour right there. Huh? Went 50 miles an hour. Now we're gonna slow down.
Go over the waves!
Let the waves hit us. Woo, whoosh, whoosh. Yeah. All right, ready to go back?
Yeah.
Let's go. All right, we're gonna do like a rocket. Get ready to lean down. 3, 2, 1, go!
Yeah.
at everybody when you go by. The other way. See them right there? There's everybody.
Let's go over their waves again.
You want to go over their waves again?
Yeah.
Let's go by them real slow.
I want to go over their waves. Hi. I want to go over their waves.
We'll go over it again. All right, this is fun, huh, JT? Hey, you want to talk Mama into getting one of these? We should go buy. We'll buy one for you and one for me. What do you think?
Not one for me, not one.
Woo-wee.
This is amazing.
Lean this way. Lean this way. Push away, we're going to go over a wave. Push away from it. Get ready, here we go. Are you ready? Here we go, here we go. Think about that. Did you get wet? Oh, push away. Push away. Whoa, that was fast slowing down, wasn't it? Look up. It's where we caught big catfish right there. You remember that at all?
No.
Yeah, we caught big catfish right there, and then we went over to Uncle Tommy's. All right, you ready to blast off like a rocket?
Yes.
All right, we're going 1 mile an hour. Here we go. 5,
3, 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off!
Pretty birds.
That's cool.
Those birds are pretty, yeah.
Over here is where we caught that car.
That's right. You do remember, don't you?
I do.
Push, push, old bridge. Is that cool or what? Listen to the cars above us.
How can the concrete go that deep?
They drive that concrete deep, deep down in there. Yes, they do.
But how do they do that?
They just do.
How?
They have big, big machines that can boom, boom, push that water way down in there. It's cool, huh? Very cool. Very cool.
Three. Can we do the rocket again?
You want to do the rocket thing again?
Yes.
All right, here, hold on.
Five.
Hold on. Let's turn around. We're going to go this way. I want you to go 3, 2, 1. Are you ready?
I just saw a snake.
But real loud. Here we go.
3, 2, 1. Blast off like a rocket!
See, we're on the wave. The wave's kind of holding us right here. So we're sitting sideways just a tad.
I'm right here behind you.
They know it. They know. You want to get on there? Or stay with me.
I want to get on there.
You want to get on there for real?
Yes. I want to get on there.
Can he get on there? Can he get on there? There we go. All right, look. You guys swim on over.
For real? For real?
Yeah, you guys swim on over.
Just go.
I'll get a little closer and you jump off. 3, get ready, get ready. Jump off, go! Whoosh. Hope you like this stuff. If you do, like and subscribe. We're the Adventure Family. We'll see you on the next adventure.